A very good morning, all of you. Hope you all are doing well. This is your third chapter MS Excel 2007 charts, and today you will be able to understand what is function in MS Excel. So let's start with the definition of functions. Functions are predefined operations or commands that works on a cell. A function is a rule which relates the value of one variable quantity to the value of another variable quantity. Let us learn about some simple and common functions used in MS Excel. The first is sum, second is average, third is count, fourth is max, and fifth is min. Sum functions adds all the number given in range. Average function calculate the average of number given in range. Count the number of cell that contains numeric data in the given cell. Max and min functions find the largest and smallest number or value in the given range. And let us talk about the very first function, sum.
In case of this sum function, if you want to add the data given in column B, that is the theory marks, what you have to do is write the is equal to sign, then write down SUM, then start a bracket, then you have to write the first cell address, that is B4, then colon, and then you have to write the last cell address up to which you want to add the numbers. Say for example here that cell address is B8. You do not need to write the entire cell addresses B5, B6, B7. So after pressing the enter key, you will get the addition of these entire numbers. The second function is count function, which is used to find out the total number of cells present in the column or a row. Here we are taking the example of column C, that is practical marks. For that, what you have to do is write down the is equal to sign, then count, COUNT, then start a bracket, write down the first cell address, that is C4, colon, and the last cell address, that is 68, up to which you want to calculate the total number of cells. Now after pressing the enter key, you will get the total number of cells present in a column C. The third function is maximum function, which is used to find out the largest number given in given range of data. Here we are taking the example of column C, that is practical marks. For that, what you have to do is write this is equal to sign, then max, then start a column, then write down the first cell address, that is C4, colon, then C8. Then after pressing the enter key, you will get the largest number present in the given range of data. Now the fourth function is minimum function, which is used to find out the smallest number that is present in the given range of data. Here we are again taking the example of column C, that is the practical marks. For that, what you have to write is equal to sign, then min, then start a bracket, then write down the cell address C4, colon, C8, close the bracket, and after pressing the enter key, you will get the least number that is present in a given column C. So you can see in this sheet, 20 is the maximum marks and 18 is the minimum marks.